Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable autocorrect words settings in Windows 11. So firstly guys, you have to click on start, then click on settings. Now here guys, click on time and language, then click on typing. Now here guys, you will see option autocorrect misspelled words. So you have to turn on or turn off. Just select to on or off. So guys, if you want to turn on, so select it to on position. Just you have to select this setting to on. So once you on, you can enable autocorrect misspelled words in Windows 11. So thanks for watching guys. This simple and easy way we can enable autocorrect misspelled words. Please comment this video useful for you or not.